Stereotypes are really a problem, especially when we're talking about stereotypes of Latinos, right? So I grew up where Charo, she was a Spanish woman with blonde hair. She was very voluptuous, and she'd come on TV, especially to the Merv Griffin show. I don't know why I was so entranced by Merv Griffin show, but she'd come on going, coochie, 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 coochie. And the stereotype was, of course, that she wasn't very bright, and she had this vivacious body, and she was very, very sexy. And maybe it's funny on TV, but girls sort of internalize that, right? What does it mean to be Latina? And for boys, it's not much easier, right? And you turn on the TV, and who is the thug? Who is being arrested for the crime? It's Jose, right? The Latino as perhaps impoverished, violent, in some way dangerous, in some way probably undocumented, a quote-unquote drain on society, all of these really negative stereotypes. We have to take control of the story of Latinos, because the fact is we're also Sonia Sotomayor on the Supreme Court. We're also neurosurgeons and engineers. Sure, we are lawn care workers and maybe hotel workers. We are also teachers and bus drivers. We're everything. We come in all shades. Some of us speak Spanish, some of us don't. We come in every religious group. We come from many countries. We're not just one thing. And each one of those countries has its own holidays and traditions and vocabulary. That's what makes it exciting and wonderful. But that's not the story that's being told. And so we have to take control of that. Even in books, we have to make sure that the pictures and illustrations really portray how we all look, the sound of all of us, that we're getting stories from all the many countries that make up what we think of in the United States as Latinos. So when I write, I like to write the families as we are, with jobs, with professions, some in college, some not, like the business owners. I like to put everybody in there, especially women, in all of the various roles that we occupy now. I think it's important because if we don't, what we get is a really flat stereotype of Latinos.